Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy from Van Ahn & Company. It's Tuesday, September 6th. I'm going to go over the markets with you. You saw early reversal here into the grain markets this morning on both corn and soybeans after trading about 4 to 5 lower earlier in the morning through the overnight session. You were able to trade higher majority of the day, though corn not much higher, closed about a ½ cent higher on the day, so not a lot of strength there, but soybeans were able to come back, closing up a 7 cents there, at one point being up about 10 cents on the day, so a bit better than where you saw them at 4 to 5 cents lower. Kind of the same situation into the wheat market, so they just couldn't hold it on majority of the day and then actually fell anywhere from about a penny lower to down 5 here into the wheat market. You had a long weekend here without trading as you had Labor Day yesterday, but what you had on Friday after the close, so Friday during the day you got Informa numbers which are higher on the yields, and then you got FC Stone coming out after the close on Friday and pushed an even higher yield here on corn than USDA has posted in right now. Same situation on soybeans, and then you actually had another private firm come out Friday after the close as well on soybeans, posting 50.1 bushel per acre here. So some very large yields coming in from private estimates. You know, everyone wasn't really believing it at first from USDA, and now you have everyone kind of jumping on board saying that these yields are going to be extremely strong. You should start to hear some yield reports coming in pretty soon from the southern areas. There's some rain in some areas that might take it off just a little bit, and it might be slower to get some beans, but you should start having some pretty solid yield reports coming out of corn to see where they're coming as far as bushels go. Over in the meat markets, a very ugly day once again, as it looks like really this meat market can't catch a break. Live cattle almost $2 lower, feeders almost $4.50 lower, front month was about $4.20 lower. And then lean hogs actually anywhere from $1.50 to $2 lower as well. So looks like there wants to be seller in these markets. They are oversold on the chart when you look at them, but managed money is still holding quite a bit of length when it comes to live cattle there. So it looks like they are aggressively selling as well. Outside markets, you wouldn't know it when you look at the meats, but it could be part of the reversal you saw earlier on into the grain markets. Was very friendly outside markets, with the US dollar being over a full dollar lower. That's very supportive towards US commodities. Crude was able to come back, closing about 40 cents higher, and then the Dow was able to come back as well, as you're finding these outside markets trying to catch a little bit of a breath there as well. I do have to close with a disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.